Not only is that
Oh god, Shaft Striker 69 from the Team Throb is in the jungle.
Why is that a bad thing?
Oh,
it's not a bad thing.
You don't know me.
It's a horrible thing.
Only supports need to be banned in League of Legends at the moment. Only supports.
Oh, am I picking?
Yeah, but...
Oh my god.
No! Now we got
Oh my god. Can I dodge? They're all gonna rock up mid thinking we're ARAM. Because no one ever plays Ivern. Unless it's an ARAM.
Robson does.
I play
So see if we
Ivern.
can actually get him to do it.
I love Ivern.
Yeah.
He's my
Ivern is
favourite
trash.
champion.
Ivan's trash.
You're
His nose is the
trash.
size of... Right, well, it's up to me and you, Jake. As always. Chris is just gonna be be Chris mid. Not do anything, just be there. We've got fucking Ivern in the jungle. And then we've got Akali with the wrong runes. So yeah, it's up to us.
You forced my limb.
Before Ivern kills the game.
I love that you've been flaming me since Champ Select, but I'm 2-0-2.
Before Ivern.
Nature isn't always gentle.
Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you wanna be a villain #1, you have to chase a superhero on the run.
Stop putting pushes in my leg!
Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. Shh. No, don't touch that.
I can be thorny too.
Do you want to know something really cool? I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna fucking give it to you. Just so.
Oh my god, you had fucking 3 gold. 3 gold. Amazing, I had fucking 11 assists as an AD carry.
Yeah, you did, didn't you?
Potatoes are always watching.